What time is it or what is the time? Bots and dances are correct. If you want to ask the time in English, you can use these sentences. Let's do some examples. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. All you can say it is 3. All you can say it is 3 o'clock. What time is it? It is 3:15 or it is 3:15. Native speakers tell the time just like this. It is 3:15 or it is 3:15. Repeat it with me. It is 3:15. Let's do some examples. Then you will understand very clearly. Let's do it. What time is it? It is 7:15. That's mean it is 7:15. It is 8:15. That mean it is 8:15. It is 10:15. That mean it is 10:15. It is 2:15. That's mean it is 2:15. What time is it? It is 3:30 or it is 3:30. Native speakers tell the time just like this. It is 3:30. What time is it? It is 3:30. Let's do some examples. What time is it? It is 6:30 or it is 6:30. It is 2:30 or it is 2:30. It is 7:30. That's mean it is 7:30. It is 12:30. That's mean it is 12:30. What time is it? It is 3:45 or it is 3:45. The correct answer is it is 3:45 or it is 3:45. Let's do some examples and you have to repeat after me. It is 3:45. It is 6:45. There's been it is 7:45. It is 8:45. That's mean it is 9:45. It is 12:45. That's mean it is 12:45. It is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Let's devise. It is 3:15 3:15. It is 3:30. It is 4:45. Choose the correct answer. What time is it? It is 6:30. B. It is 6 o'clock. C. It is 5:45. B. It is 6 o'clock. What time is it? It is 6. B. It is 6:30. C. It is 6:15. C. It is 6:15. What time is it? It is 5:45. B. It is 6:30. C. It is 6:15. B. It is 6:30. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. B. It is 5:45. C. It is 6:45. C. It is 6:45. Here's your test. What time is it? Write your answer in the comment section. I will wait for your command. And subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. and never miss another update. If you love this lesson, share this video with your friends and your family. See you in the next video. Until take care.